good day, and hope you guys are all staying safe and staying healthy, especially during this time. So I wanted to pop on here and show you guys how to maintain a healthy skincare routine just using 4 products. So let's get started. So the first thing I'll be using is a special cleansing gel. So I like to take one nice big pump of it. You don't need too much, don't need too little. Just one pump is good. All right, then I get my water going. I like it to be lukewarm. And then I get a nice lather going. Mix her up real good. All right, and then I spread on my cheeks first. Okay. And you just want to go in circular motions. So the cool thing about this special cleansing gel is that it is a universal cleanser, so it's good for all skin types. So if you have normal to oily skin, you can use this. Normal to dry skin, you can use this. Personally, I have oily skin, so I actually really like this. This has really improved my skin a lot since I've been, using it regularly. I've seen a difference in the oil in my skin. Even if you have breakout prone skin, this is good for all skin types. Now, if you have really sensitive skin, I would recommend the Ultra Calming Cleanser. And I love this cleanser. This does not irritate my skin at all. It doesn't dry my skin out. It's soap free as well, so it's not gonna dry your skin out. It's gonna take out all the dirt and excess oil and impurities out of your skin, but without leaving your skin stripped from all of its natural oils. Alright, so I like to rinse my hands off from the cleanser first. Let me tuck these in real quick. Alright, and then we rinse. When you are drying your face, you want to pat dry. You do not want to rub on your skin. You just want to pat it dry, because actually the rubbing on the skin can create premature aging. Definitely want to be gentle with your skin, especially the skin on your face. Alrighty, so next we're going to do an exfoliant. So this is the Daily Microfoliant. This you can use every day. Personally, I like to use it 2 to 3 times per week. That's what I find works best for me. But this can also be used daily as well, because it is a really gentle exfoliant. All right, let's get the water going again. So with this one, with most exfoliants, they come in a squeeze tube and you kind of squeeze it out in your hand. But with this one, it is a powder. So you just want to pour it onto your palm. So I use about this much. And then, so I take my other hand that doesn't have the powder in it, and I kind of drop some droplets of water in there, and then I lather it up. If I need more water, I'll add more. So basically the consistency that you want it to be is a foamy consistency. And then just spread first. All right, and then we go to town. Just in circular motions again. So exfoliants are really good because they're kind of giving life back to your skin. It takes off all the dead skin cells. It's good for acne. It's good for blackheads. And if you have any kind of like areas that, any problem areas, like, you know, some people have lots of congestion, like blackheads around the nose. So you can focus this around the nose. Or if you have any problem areas, any breakouts, you can focus this on that area. And if you see, or if you're not done yet, then you can add a little more water, because this is getting a little bit dry. So you can add a little bit more water. I don't know if I said this before, but for the cleanser and for this, I lathered in for about the same time. I would say like 20 to 30 seconds. I just kind of go around, and then we can rinse. Pat to dry. My skin already feels like so much better. And even just from doing that, like my skin looks brighter. Also that can help, exfoliants can help with like hyperpigmentation as well. If you have any like acne scars or anything like that, that can help with that too. So we have the Active Moist next. So I moisturize twice. So I do an actual moisturizer and I do a sunscreen. So I like this is the Active Moist. So I actually like this one a lot. With it's oil free, so that's why I like it. Especially since my skin is a little more on the oily side. So this one really works well for me. And you can do in circular motions, or you can do an upward motion as well. Whatever works best for you. Just know, like, be mindful of like not doing this, not pulling down on your skin, but going an upward motion. Whenever you're rubbing anything in, whether it be moisturizer, SPF, or a serum, you always want to go an upward motion. And whenever you are working around the eyes, use your ring finger and you can pat it in or lightly rub it in. But I like to pat. And then even when you're doing your moisturizer, you can give yourself like a little massage. This can help with strengthening the elasticity in your skin and help with any like aging, premature aging. And then pat the rest in. Okay. And last but certainly not least, this is like the most important thing that you can do for your skin is SPF. So I'm using the Solar Defense Booster. So I'm just gonna dab it on my face. And I'm gonna get my neck as well. A lot of people forget about their neck. And it's the same thing. Circular motions or upward motion. Especially upward motions when you get to the neck. Pat around the eye. Make sure it's all rubbed in. So SPF is really important. A lot of people don't think they need to wear SPF, especially if it's cloudy outside, but the sun rays can still go through the clouds and still penetrate into the skin, even if it's cloudy or whatever the weather is, wear some sunscreen. It doesn't hurt. Sunscreen helps protect against like premature aging or aging period. The sun is really good for your skin. You know, vitamin D is really good for your skin, but can also be really damaging. It has an effect on the texture of the skin as well. The sun can create that like leathery feeling on the skin. So you definitely want to always protect your skin from the sun. And I just kind of like to pat the excess in. And that's it. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned a thing or two. And like I said, stay safe, stay healthy. Hope you guys have a good day. And I'll see you once this. Hello, my name is Bethany and I'm your esthetician. And healthy skin can also promote a healthy mindset. So I want to help you guys maintain healthy and beautiful skin, especially during this time. So I will be available on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. so that you guys can set up a video consultation with me where I can answer any of your skincare concerns or questions. I can give you guys tips and tricks on how to maintain healthy skin. So if you want to set that up, you can book with me at www.harryanjoelsalon.com. And yeah, hope to see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.